Water testing. Ammonium nitrogen. Materials. Laptop computer, LoggerPro, ammonium ion selective electrode, Vernier ISE amplifier, low standard, high standard, tissues or paper towels, wash bottle with distilled water, small paper or plastic cup, optional. Note: the Vernier ammonium ion selective electrode, or ISE, should be soaked in the ammonium high standard solution for around 30 minutes before starting. The ISE should not rest on the bottom, and the small white dot should be immersed. There should be no air bubbles. Step 1. Obtain a water sample at least 100 milliliters from just below the surface of the water, and as far away from the shore as possible. Step 2. Prepare the computer for data collection by opening Test 10 Ammonium from the Water Quality with computer's experiment files of LoggerPro. On the graph window, the vertical axis has ammonium concentration scaled from 0 to 10 milligrams per liter. The horizontal axis has time scaled from 0 to 10 seconds. There's also a meter window. Step 3. As the ISE is soaking in the high standard, plug the ISE amplifier into port 1 or channel 1 of the Vernier computer interface. Connect the ammonium ISE to the ISE amplifier. Step 4. First calibration point. Choose Calibrate from the experiment menu and then click Perform Now. Type 100, the concentration of the solution, in the edit box. When the displayed voltage reading for input 1 stabilizes, click Keep. Step 5. Second calibration point. Rinse the ISE with distilled water and gently blot dry with a tissue. Be careful when blotting the membrane. Place the tip of the ISE into the low standard solution. Again, it should not be resting on the bottom and there should be no air bubbles. White dots should be immersed. Swirl the solution, hold the ISE still, and wait 30 seconds for the voltage reading displayed to stabilize. Enter 1, the concentration, in the edit box. When the displayed voltage reading for input 1 is stabilized, click Keep and then click OK. Step 6. Rinse the ISE with distilled water and gently blot it dry. Place the tip of the probe in the sample water. Make sure the ISE is not resting on the bottom and that the small white dots are immersed. Make sure no air bubbles are trapped. After briefly swirling the solution, hold the ISE still and wait approximately 30 seconds. If the ammonium concentration value appears stable, record it. Step 7. If the ammonium concentration value displayed in the meter window is fluctuating, determine the mean or average value. To do this, click Collect to begin a 10-second sampling run. Leave the probe tip submerged for 10 seconds that data is being collected. Click on the Statistics button to display the statistics box on the graph. Record the mean ammonium concentration value. Step 8. Repeat the testing process for additional readings, beginning with the step in which you put the probe into the sample water. Make sure to thoroughly clean the ISE with distilled water after each test. That's the most important step.